Hey, good day everyone. Here's how to replace the toner on your brother MFC-L2710DW. Comes in this vacuum sealed bag here too. Here's a look at the toner. And we'll just pop this off and discard that. Now just take the toner out of the tray there. It just pops right out. And same thing, you'll just take the new one, pop it right back in there. Once you snap it back into the tray, it'll slide really easy back into the printer there. If there's any hang-ups, you're probably doing something wrong, so you would just kind of slide it back out and try it again. It should be a smooth entry, and then you're good to go. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching, everybody.